Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Jadi kami berdua sama Dallas ada di manakah ini? Di belakang kami ini adalah tanaman, kira-kira tanaman apakah pemirsa? Ini adalah tomat. Nah, kami ini bukan ada di perkebunan dan juga bukan ada di taman atau bukan di mana-mana. Kami ini ada di dalam rumah. Oke, jadi kami sekarang ada di dalam rumah pemirsa. Ini di belakang saya ini tomatnya tuh berlimpah ruah. Aduh, bahasanya ya. Tapi beneran tomatnya banyak banget. Nah, pagi-pagi saya sudah dibangunkan dari Dallas. Katanya tomatnya sudah ada yang merah pemirsa. Ini saya belum pernah tunjukin ke pemirsa kan ya, pohon tomat ini ada di dalam rumah. Nah, ini tomat ini simsalabim ada di sini atau ada prosesnya? Tentunya ada proses ya, nggak mungkin langsung aja tiba-tiba dengan pohon sebegini tingginya di dalam rumah dan tiba-tiba berbuah, enggak lah, ada prosesnya. Siapakah yang menanam tomat-tomat ini pemirsa? Siapa coba? Dallas pulang sekolah karena cuacanya panas jadi pakai kacamata.
Good.
Holiday tomorrow.
Tomorrow is what day?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Ya, ini binnya Dallas dari sekolahnya.
What's after Thursday?
After Thursday.
Friday.
Yes.
Saturday.
Yes.
Sunday.
Yes.
After Saturday, Sunday.
Yes. Dallas, what is that, Dal?
A lollipop.
No, this.
Oh, a beanstalk. A beanstalk is kind of like a big plant,
Yes.
and it grows. It grows. But my another friend, beanstalk are actually about that big.
Jadi ini katanya Dallas yang nanam di sekolah.
Oh, God, that's big. That's good, isn't it?
I did tell you it'd grow a little
We'll
bit.
have to get you another pot.
A bigger pot.
Well, you can have, can't you have one of them pots over there? One of those.
It'll be pot bound.
Yeah.
If you can get a bigger
One of those
pot.
pots. Is there an empty
Yeah.
one? Yeah.
Have you got some soil?
No, well, you could put this
Okay.
in there.
That's it. You just put the lot in, but you want a bit more room and a bit more soil, don't you?
Yeah. Did you have any soil left?
But I'm
He's going to get it grow
going to
now.
get a ground bag with some to
So
go
you can have some
outside.
out of that.
Put some plants in for him.
That's very good.
Now that I open, hopefully.
Oh yeah, that's Dummy's. We've got the grow
Got the
bag. It's
grow
in the
bag.
car.
Apa bibit tomat buat Dallas?
What was that?
You were running. You were running 30.
That is food.
Oh yes,
Wait,
what is
for
that?
when the tomatoes come, we'll start putting it into the water and feed them, so the tomatoes grow a bit bigger. It's a bit early yet because there's enough food in the bag.
Oh.
Would you like to go along?
Look at that, your bin, Dallas. What kind of the bin, Dallas?
A beanstalk.
Yeah, I mean, what?
Look at this beanstalk.
Yes, it's a
Yeah,
beanstalk.
it's showing the tomatoes up.
And tomato
No, it's
also.
not.
It is. Look at it. These are down. Oh, these are growing now, down.
Yes, it's very growing now.
Yeah.
But this one's the dad.
Yeah, that
He's
one.
the tallest.
If these aren't watered, these will die as well.
I know. On a little bit of my plant. Because mine's going to grow super big. Hey look, this one almost grew a flower, look.
Yes.
Oh,
don't forget.
yes.
Don't forget. When they go a bit hot, we still have to support them with a tie. Put a tie around.
Oh,
That's
really?
what you usually do, don't you?
Ooh.
And mine looks so tall.
Is
And
it?
before mine was all the way down there, and now it's all the way up here. I told my friends how big it was, and it was there to all the way up here.
Oh, really?
So it's this big.
Is it?
About,
that
yes, it's about
area.
that big, yes.
But it's not
Yeah.
but the other one is like this.
Oh, going on.
Yes, it's very, yes, it's very good.
Look at mine, Daddy.
Wow, look at the size of that.
Yes, it's
That's going to be up to the ceiling before we know it.
Look at it close.
There is flowers with that.
Oh,
There's a flower already.
Come through this.
okay. Yes. Oh, you end up putting some feed on it?
No, not yet.
No,
not
okay.
yet. There's enough.
Is
There's
there?
enough nutriment in the bag. Yeah. You going to finish it off?
Mine's going to go the
I mean, this plant is very posh, isn't it?
It's very.
Posh,
posh.
yeah, and very
Very nice.
expensive also. Do you know
no,
why?
it's only tomato. Okay.
Because they grow in the carpet.
Oh. You have to be quite moist. I thought if you were slightly damp, that was good enough.
Well, you don't want them too wet of it. Now there's enough there. We'll leave that.
So I thought if you touched it and it was wet, that was enough. But,
Trouble is, when they start growing, they'll suck that dry.
oh, well, oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Especially when it gets a bit warmer as well in here.
Oh, can you imagine them up there? You imagine Mama, go and get some tomatoes for our breakfast, please.
Oh,
You'll be able to go,
Daddy, look, it's going to be the same tall as
is it going to be
Daddy.
here?
No, higher.
I'm going to say it'll be bigger than me.
It will go up there.
Yeah,
Up there. Yeah.
I'm going to have to tie things on the roof.
They won't.
Oh.
They won't because Grandad will cut the tops off.
I nipped them here.
Nip the
Look,
tops off.
Daddy, look, there's almost
Yeah, what's
flowers.
that? Yeah, what's the
Oh
flowers?
yes,
What's that
that's
gonna
right.
be?
Now let's mommy see that.
I don't
Oh
know.
yes, the
But
flower.
they're black and white.
Oh yes.
That's beans. Are they going to be beans or something?
What kind of the bean
I
that?
don't know.
It's,
Beanstalk?
it's beans, just beans.
Just bean.
Before mine was so little, now it's grown so big.
I remember that. You're meant to get rid of them, aren't you? Does it help it grow if you get rid of these?
Well, yes, you don't want those.
What happens if you
Oh,
left
really?
them? What would happen?
Oh, it'd be a bushy plant instead of.
Oh,
having-
tall and thin.
Oh.
So, we have
That
to
one
pick
is-
these
Yeah.
off. These
No, no,
leaves.
no. See in the middle.
Yeah.
Let's try and show you. That one there. See in the middle of the V.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's try it.
and that
See that
one
one
there?
there?
See that
it's
one?
like in a V.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the middle. Pull it off.
Pull it off, Dal.
So
That's
this.
it. Yeah, just pull it off all the way. That's it. Put it behind it. There you go. Put it in there.
They take
This is-
over.
This is- Just got to keep an eye on them. Hey, we know what to do, don't we? Every couple of days, we can have a picking session down.
Oh really?
Don't we? That's okay. That one.
How about Dallas bean then?
No, not the bean. This is
Not the
tomatoes.
beans, no,
Only
these only
tomatoes.
tomatoes.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
Have
three.
a smell.
Is
Have a
this
smell.
Ooh.
Yourself.
Is this red?
No, it's if I remember right, it's like a orangey.
Oh.
Can I see?
No.
It's the same colour as your wee.
Oh, so don't weigh on your plants. What's that? What's that for, Bright? Is that when
That's a feed.
so once the nutrients gone out of there,
Yes,
you
yeah,
start.
that helps.
Oh,
Not
okay.
only that, when the tomatoes start outside, they'll suck it dry. And
Oh,
whatever,
yeah,
so
'cause
that-
it's
I
not-
don't
yeah.
know. I don't know what it looks like when you're looking at your eye.
Perjalanan panjang tomat-tomat ini dan kacang akhirnya sudah berbuah hari ini dan sudah dipindahkan ke pot karena plastiknya tidak cukup lagi. Ini ya tomat-tomatnya tinggi nih lumayan. Nah, jadi sudah berbuah banyak sekali. Mari kita lihat buah-buah tomatnya. Kita dekati dulu dengan yang
Now
ini.
look. Look now.
Yes. Buahnya banyak banget.
I want to see how many stems there are. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9.
Just 9.
9 stems.
How many bean there?
1. Gotta wait for 1, 2. I got some more. 3.
It's big one dah.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4,
and 5. That big one.
Gede-gede banget nih binnya Dallas nih ya.
Here, red tummy.
Oke.
We buy these a long time ago and they growed big, and this is our first red one.
This is the first red one.
Yeah, that's our first red one. You can eat red ones, but not green ones. Green ones you can't eat; they're not ready. But red ones are ready.
Okay. This is your tummies.
Yes.
And then your
And
bean.
this is my bean. This is my tummy. This is my tummy. That's my tummy. I have 3 tummies and 1 bean.
Tomat-tomat Dallas ditanam di dalam rumah dan di atas karpet. Jadi ini adalah tomat sultan Dallas.
Huh?
Mami call to tomat sultan.
The
Yes.
tomates.
Tomat sultan.
Sultan.
Yes.
Hi guys, today I'm going to prank Nanny and Grandad because they're not here. So we're going to prank them with these tomatoes, but the real tomato was that one. So we're going to hang that one on this plant. Hang these tomatoes up. Now we just had to wait for Nanny and Grandad. It'll take a couple of minutes.
Jadi pemirsa disimpan di sini dari Dallas tomat-tomatnya.
I thought that was the only tummy, but now we got more tummies.
Yes, more tummies.
Actually, no, we have another one of tummies there. Let's see, right there.
Yes. Nah, ini tadi jatuh kan ya Dallasnya, rontok dari buahnya. Udah saya cuci, saya makan aja deh. Karena ini tomatnya, tomat enak banget. Lagi nunggu Bray dan Dai, katanya mau datang ke sini. Tadi udah saya telepon. Mereka lagi jalan keluar, mau ngasih lihat tomatnya sudah merah. Ini nggak asem rasanya, ini manis banget. Enak pokoknya. You waiting, Nanny Grandad? Are you reading? Good. What you reading there?
Road down.
I'm going to show me the tomato. How many you got? Oh, look at this.
What?
That's a surprise.
Oh gosh.
They've ripened quickly. How about that, Dal?
Yeah, can't believe it.
2021.
Oh yeah, and down here, look. 2 down there.
Yeah. It's that
I'm
one
sure that-
particular
Oh.
plant, isn't it?
That must be the early one. So what's happened to this one?
Hang on.
Oh, hang on. There's one here
Give
going.
them time. There's one there.
Did you?
And there's one right in here.
See, it's going.
Actually pranking you. These.
You
these,
painted them.
These.
You've
are-
painted them.
No. These are real ones from a box. This is the one that has grown.
Oh, right.
They're not really red, are they? You've painted them.
Oh, I have.
Have you? Are you sure?
I have no paint.
Oh, you got no red paint.
See, that one's going, look. There,
Oh, yeah, that one's going.
See?
Yeah.
That's
And this one here.
that's the only one.
yeah. Oh, you've planted those. Have you?
Very good. That's a surprise, isn't it, coming this early?
No, they put them on. They're not real. They're not real. Look at this. We were had.
Uni! Dallas! Where is he?
Dallas.
Come on!
I thought it was too early.
I thought it was
Because they
not
weren't
only
there.
that. Not only that, look at it. I only watered them a couple of days ago and
Yeah.
there were no red ones there.
Yeah, but that one's going. There, look.
Yeah, that
These
was
are
it.
going.
Yeah. Julie,
God.
you little madam, you.
By the time you come back,
And you, Dallas.
those will be
I
red.
didn't plan it. Mummy planned it.
Was it?
You
Oh.
did it.
I didn't plan it. Mummy planned it.
Oh.
No, not
So,
me.
You. I forgot.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Mummy planned it, and I put them on.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, so hang on. So that's two of you then.
That's turning there, look. Can you see? That's
Yes.
turning.
Yeah, that one's
Yellow.
turning now. Yeah.
We were had.
Good and proper day. Well done, Uni. Well
Oh,
done.
God.
You're thinking this is real?
Yeah, I thought, yeah.
Take those up as well done.
I was going to say, how can they be so big? I never noticed them.
Oh, we were certainly had then.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uni.
Are you going to leave them there for your daddy when he comes home? Leave them there.
Oh yes, leave one there
Yeah.
for Daddy.
That's right. And say, look.
Going to play the same trick on Daddy.
Yes.
Oh, do those again next year. That one's turning. I bet when you come back, those will all be red there. Because it's supposed to be a sunny day tomorrow.
It would be nice
And
if
it
they
will be sunny Thursday and Friday.
It would be nice if those get a bit bigger before they started ripening.
Yeah.
So, have we got a tomato sandwich for lunch today?
No, I don't like tomato.
Oh, you don't like
You don't like them, so why are you growing them?
We're growing them for you.
Yeah, there's some here.
Is it work dry?
Oh, no. Never been had. Well done, well done.
You should have done that for
Yeah.
April Fools.
Oh yes.
But April Fool's has already passed.
It's already gone. It was April, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's April.
Oh dear. Well, we went to the doctor's, got the tablets.
Which doctor?
You know, where you
The
walk.
Broadway.
Oh, the broad.
And then we walked up to Morrison's and just got a few odds and ends that we didn't get yesterday.
But we couldn't wait to come and see these red tomatoes.
Right, we're going to go. I've got 4 eggs to cook because I want to get rid of them for our lunch.
Sekarang udah waktunya jam makan siang. Mereka sudah turun ke bawah beserta Dallas mau bikin Dani dan Branya makan sandwich, dan saya juga mau masak spaghetti tomat. Jadi nanti saya mau turun juga ke bawah, makan di bawah. Udah selesai masak simple spaghettinya, masih hangat. Sekarang saya langsung turun ke bawah, pemirsa. Oke, mari kita makan di bawah bersama mertua. Cepet-cepet turun ke bawah, mumpung masih panas, pemirsa, karena mereka suka makanan yang lagi hangat-hangatnya meletup-letup seperti itu. Yuhu.
Come in, open!
Restoran open.
Look at this.
Oh, you finished?
What's it?
No, you were coming down.
We didn't
I said,
we had a misunderstanding there.
Yeah.
Shut the door down, please.
I said to you, I will go down, bring the spaghetti.
Realise I thought you were going to have your meal.
It's alright.
It's hello.
We'll have it for the evening meal.
You.
Yeah.
Look, are you sure you don't want it again? Look at that, very hot, nice. Look. Ooh. Come on, Bri. Come on, Bri. Come on, Bri. Die. Eat again.
I don't want.
We'll leave it till the evening.
Oh, it came from my
I will.
bum. Came from my bum.
Die. Are you not try now, Dad? You look at Die. Still hot.
Yes.
Come on, Die.
I didn't realise you were cooking.
Neither did I. I said, well, you wouldn't have put the eggs on, would you, if
Is that empty?
you'd have thought that?
Yeah?
Oh,
Ooh, are you
yeah.
sure you don't
What,
want?
is it 2 or 3 tins there?
Huh?
2 or 3 tins?
No, I'm not used the tin. I cook fresh.
Cook it fresh?
Yes, it's not from the tin.
Oh.
This is
Yeah.
why. Just boil the spaghetti
Oh, yeah.
and then with the beef and tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you know that
Oh,
I'm never
yeah.
cook from the tin.
Did
Quick.
you use my tummies?
Oh yes, from.
Would you like a tea or a coffee or water or...
Tapi Dai dan Branya sudah selesai makan sandwich, sayanya baru datang bos spaghetti. Tapi enak saya rayu mereka makan lagi.
Apparently they do a red. Do they do a red one?
Yeah.
What is the red one?
I don't know.
The red
for the
fruit
fruit.
called the
Morning, sweetheart. Do you see our tummies?
tomato.
Okay. Okay, what's am I looking at?
Getting red. Our tummies.
Ah, unbelievable. We've got some red tummies. Well done, Dal.
I spot them.
Can I eat one? Can I?
You could.
What's this? Oh, yes.
That's not quite
Oh,
ready.
look at that.
But these are ready, so you can eat those ones.
Unbelievable. When we looked the other day, they were all green. They weren't ripe yet. So that's ripe. Just in the same day, just today. That's just. I didn't notice them sweetheart the other day.
Yeah.
I looked.
It's
Oh,
lovely.
no, Tuesday, Monday. I looked Monday, and they weren't.
Lovely.
They were all just green. They were all just like this.
Yes. And there's another one there also.
Oh yeah, it's starting to go ripe. Unbelievable, Dal. Can't believe how quick they.
And massive also, sweetheart.
I know. It's so much bigger than everything else. No. Unbelievable. Well done, Dal. Fantastic.
I found them all by myself.
Did you? Fantastic. They've gone red really quickly, haven't they? Unbelievable.
No, we pranked you.
Hey?
We pranked you. These are from the box. This just growed by itself. That was the only one that growed. We just put those in. That's the only one that growed.
It looks like it's growing off the tree, Dal.
No, it isn't. We pranked you. We pranked you. That's true. We pranked you.
That's growing off the trees.
No.
Oh!
We pranked you.
Mummy, Dallas. I've been well and truly pranked, haven't I? I was really excited. Unbelievable.
This is a real one.
Oh, 5 years old
That's
from
the
you,
real
sweetheart.
one. That's the real one, Daddy. This is the real one.
Okay, mate.
That's the real one. Those are all fake.
Well done. I tell you what, Dallas.
What?
I've been pranked by a 5-year-old.
No, it was Mommy that planned it. I put them on.
No, it's not.
Mommy planned it. I put them on.
Come on, give us a cuddle. Give us a cuddle. I feel all vulnerable now because I've been pranked by a 5-year-old.
Noah's a 41 years old.
I tell you what, I don't care what you say. That is a top prank. Well done. Well done, both of you. That's a proper prank, that is. Daddy's going to have to get his home back now, isn't he? Now we're doing pranks.
Sekarang waktunya panen. Dan panen. Udah jatuh. Nah, Richie juga kaget lihatnya ya. Ini saya udah panen duluan, ntar saya cuci dulu. Misal udah dicuci nih. Jadi untuk kelanjutannya tomat-tomat ini ada 3 hektar tomat dan 1 hektar kacang polong. Nanti lihat panennya ya, kira-kira seminggu lagi mungkin udah pada mateng-mateng karena ini udah ada yang merah di sini. Kita lihat saja nanti bagaimana tim hore-hore menikmati tomat-tomat dalam rumah beralaskan karpet tumbuhnya ya. Itu aja video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan thumb. Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Nah, video besok-besok kami sudah mau pergi liburan pemirsa. Jadi tunggu aja video liburan kami. Mau kemanakah kami liburan? Yang pasti ke tempat yang menyenangkan. Oke, kalau gitu tunggu saja videonya. Oke.